Look, I get it. Clubs suck. If you don't know how to dance, then you're forced to sit in the corner in the no fun zone. What's worse, you run the risk of being seen as a hawker. You know, one of those creepy guys that prey on the super drunk girls when they find the opportunity. Well, don't worry, I got your back. In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to dance in the club. Specifically, you're going to learn some easy club dance moves. How to dance to house music, how to dance to hip hop music, and of course, how to build some confidence for the dance floor. This way, you can join in on the fun on the dance floor, meet new people, and avoid being seen as a hawker. Before digging into the tutorial, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master the dance moves taught in this video, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. That's it, this is Brian B. Let's dig into the tutorial. Alright, so first things first, let's learn how to dance to the 3 most common genres of music that they play at the club.
Let's get started dancing to house music. So house music has a little bit of a faster tempo, so the movements are a little bit smaller. Now, the first dance move looks like this. Alright, let me break this down. So the first thing you want to get used to is the rocking groove type of motion. You want to get started with your knees slightly bent, just like this. And from here, you want to stand up while pushing your knees back. So it goes boom, like so. While you're doing that, you want to keep your core locked. So starting with knees bent, core locked, knees go backwards, and your upper body goes forward. So let me show you one more. From here, core locked, boom, like so. So notice how I'm pushing my knee back, my upper body, core locked, goes forward. And from here, we're just going to come back with knees bent, core locked again. Okay, so from the very beginning, knees bent, we go from here, we go boom, forward, and then come back to the knees bent position. So we go boom, and come back, boom, and come back. So 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So make sure your core is locked, or else you'll look like a sloppy noodle, all right? So make sure your core is locked. So let's try it again. Knees bent, we go 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Okay, so quick troubleshoot. Make sure you're not slamming your knees back too hard, all right? Or else you'll injure your knees. That's not what we want to do. From the front, starting with knees bent, we go 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. From the side, knees bent, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Alright, at this point, let's put the direction in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start facing this way, and then boom, like so, and then we're going to come back center, and then face the other way. So it looks like this, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Alright, let's give it a try. Knees bent, we go up this way, come back center, go up the other way. So we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Alright, let's put the arms in there. So we're going to have them up like this, loose fist. We go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit now, and also let's scale down the movements. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Alright, let's give it a try to some music now. On my count, here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2. Keep rocking. Rock, rock, and rock. Alright. Let's try to a different song now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2. Rock, rock, and rock. Good core lock. Five, six, all right. Let's move on now to the next dance move. So now we're gonna be dancing to hip hop music. So the dance move looks like this. All right, let me break it down. So the first movement here is the down bounce motion, starting with knees up. All right, from here, we're going to bend and our body is going to go down. So we go 1, up, 2, up, 1, up, 2, up. So we're bending the knees, upper body coming down, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. From the front, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. All right, so a quick pro tip here. If you want to make the movement look better, you can crunch your upper body down just a little bit as you bend your knees. So we go boom, and then extend back up, and then do it again. So bring the chest down just a little bit, all right? Nothing crazy, just a little bit as you go down, all right? So we go boom, 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 boom. From the front, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. All right, so at this moment, let's add the arms in there. So without the bounce, what we're gonna do with our arms is this. Boom, 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 boom. So we're swinging them in, crossing, and then we're bending by the elbows in and then out, all right? So which one on top of which, it's all up to you, all right? So we're gonna boom, swing in, bend, out, swing in, out, in, out, in, out. Let's try that. So we go boom, 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 and boom. Once you get used to the motion, you can scale it down a little. So it looks like this, boom, 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 nice and natural. All right, let's put that in with the down bounce motion. So we bend our knees, we go boom, 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 and boom. Let's add a direction in there now. So we're going to bounce this way and then the other way, this way and the other way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. So putting the arms in there, we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. All right, let's try to some music now. Trying it to the first song this way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and drop, down, down, and down. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2. All right. Trying it to the second song now. This way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, and 2. Drop, drop, and drop. Let's move on to the third dance move now. So this one is perfect for pop music. So music you hear on the radio. So the dance move itself looks like this. All right, let me break this down. So the first thing we have to do is the up bounce. So unlike the down bounce, we're going upwards. So we have to start with knee bend. From here, we bring our body up. All right, so starting with knee bend, we go up. And then we bend the knees back down and we go up. So knees back, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, so consider it as the reverse of the down bounce. So we start with knees bent, we go up, 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 and up. All right, so let's add the footwork in there now. So what's gonna happen is we're going to do the footwork one side to the other, one side to the other. However, we have to time it properly with the up bounce. So we're going to get started like this. The legs are closer in apart. So from here, we're going to bend our knees and we're gonna go up, all right? From here, we're gonna bring our body down. And for the second time that we come up, we're going to step out. Boom, like so, all right? So let me show you one more. Knees bend, we go up, down, out, all right? So you have to time those things together. Starting with knees bend, we go up and out. And then once we're here, we're just going to bend our knees back down and we're gonna go up once, bring the knees back down and then out the other way. So slowly, knees down, we go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, so let's shake it out real quick. Quick little break. Okay, let's try it again. Starting with knees bend, we go up and out, up and out, up and out, up, out. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. All right, let's see at the arms in there now. So arms going to be like this, one up here, one down here, loose fist. Okay, so starting with knees bend, we go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. All right, let's give it a try to some music now. On my count, this way first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2. 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 Up, slide, and slide, up, slide. All right. Trying it to the second song. This side first. On my count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, slide, and slide. Up, slide, and slide, up, slide, and slide. 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2. All right.
All right, now you have these 3 basic dance moves down. How exactly do you do them in public? Well, there are actually 3 very specific steps to building up your confidence. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually film yourself dancing. So you want to put your phone somewhere in the corner of the room and you want to practice in front of the mirror and film yourself practicing in front of the mirror. You want to review the footage afterwards and make tweaks to your dance moves until you're happy with how you look. The second thing you want to do is go to the clubs with your female friends. You see, if you go to the club with your guy friends, then they're probably just like you. They're stuck on the sideline, you know, back against the wall, drink in hand, not knowing what to do. And when they do this, they set up this social contract so you can't actually go off and dance on the dance floor. You're forced to join in with them. That's not helpful, of course. On the other hand, if you go clubbing with your female friends, they're likely to be on the dance floor dancing. And now that you have a couple dance moves under your belt, you can actually join them. So here's what's actually going to happen. They're much more likely to compliment you on your dance moves. And by doing this, they give you a boost of confidence. Moving on to tip number 3, you want to go to crowded venues and practice your dancing there. You see, most of us guys think that we want to be dancing when there's nobody watching and nobody around, right? But counterintuitively, if you go to a crowded venue, people can't really see what you're doing because they are too close up to you. And since nobody's seeing you, you don't run the risk of embarrassing yourself. Alright, and that's all for the tutorial. Again, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master these basic dance moves, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. So which one of these dance moves is your favorite? Make a comment below. If you know of a friend or two who may really need this material, then don't forget to share it with them. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and share. This is Brian B, aka your living room dance teacher, aka your dance floor bro. Let's talk soon.